CME's E-mini S&P 500 futures contract, ticker symbol ES, is one of the most liquid futures contracts in the world and one of the most efficient and cost-effective ways to gain market exposure to the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 is a broad-based market capitalization weighted index that tracks 500 of the largest companies in leading industries of the U.S. economy and serves as a key indicator of the health of the U.S. stock market. The E-mini S&P 500 futures contract allows market participants to take positions on the performance of the S&P 500 index electronically and at a reasonable price. The E-mini S&P trades Sunday through Friday from 5 p.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time, with daily trading halts from 3:15 to 3:30. A single ES contract has a value of $50 times the agreed-upon E-mini futures price and trades in increments of 0.25 index points, with one tick equaling $12.50. ES futures expire on a quarterly basis, settling in cash to the spot value of the S&P 500 index on the third Fridays of March, June, September, and December. In addition to the quarterly expirations, the E-mini S&P futures offer weekly options for Wednesday and Friday expirations. Currently, ES futures requires approximately 5% as initial margin, resulting in over 20 times leverage on their position. E-mini S&P 500 futures allow market participants to hedge their macro exposure or capitalize on anticipated movement in the S&P 500 index, especially around major market-moving events. Some data releases with special importance to the ES market include the U.S. Jobs Report and Quarterly Earnings Report, as well as any releases or statements made by the FOMC.